Put them closer to each other.
Huh?
Closer?
Put this closer?
To drink?
Yes, in a freezer. Put this closer?
Move both trays closer to each other. Put the crab one by you.
Huh?
Put the crab one by you.
Welcome back to my channel. We're having a season I got for my daughter with me. She'll be 21 guys, in what, a week and a half?
Yeah.
21.
So scary.
Of course, I have my Sprite, and then we have crab legs, fish, potatoes, mussel, eggs,
There's somewhere down there.
yeah, corn, syrup,
And sausage.
and sausages. You guys can see.
Yeah, that's that.
That's that. My daughter helped me, so yeah, we got it done. Okay. I just crushed these.
And let's start with the shrimp.
I'll start with my fish.
Little shrimp. We have some sauce right here on the side.
I have whiting fillet.
Gonna have some lemon.
You got your beef. And then I got me some red hot wings hot sauce just in case. And some salt.
It's good. It's good. And then a potato.
I love a lot of salt on my fish.
There's a lot of salt you put.
I love salt, extra salt on my fish. Oh shoot, I don't know it's gonna pour out like that. And then we had to plate.
Yeah. Let's see. What happened?
I love fried fish.
Maricella's calling me.
Who?
Maricela? Hello? The new girl that's starting for manager, she didn't do a background check yet.
So she can't come.
No, she can't start until she does the background check.
Did she know she's supposed to do it?
Yeah, it's in the steps.
Oh, she can't come over it, so.
You can't start.
But she's supposed to start?
She's supposed to go to orientation Saturday.
Oh, next week.
This Saturday.
She could have waited for that too. Oh, I thought it was not right away. She's supposed to fill up some nails or something.
No, she hasn't started yet.
That's right.
You didn't eat.
Okay, corn. That was some corn. Is it hot, spicy?
A little bit.
Hey, my favorite quiet. I've been waiting for it.
egg, sorry. She might be the most beat up one. You should dip it in the sauce, though.
Huh?
You should dip it in the sauce.
Oh.
Her forgetting their sauce.
That's the part I like.
Probably
I like
in
that.
Avi's room.
That's the part I like to hear, the cracking. Hey, no meat. I guess I put it all out. Break my teeth out.
Disgusting. It's good.
Look at that. You almost had a piece. Yeah.
I swear.
Oh my God, I just love this food. It is so delicious. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It is really good. Watch this guy. Watch this. Look at that. Ain't that cool? I like cracking it and I like pulling it out. Watch this. Watch this. Look, 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 look. Wow. Look at that. Meat. I feel if you got to dip it.
Did you get a sausage?
Not yet. Sausage. So good. My favorite part. Yeah, talking about a pound. That was only 2.
Huh?
A pound was only 2.
That's enough, yeah.
2? I got 4.
That's not enough for you?
Avery.
He doesn't like crab legs. He likes crab legs?
He told me he wanted some.
Since when does he like crab legs?
I keep forgetting to dip it.
I didn't know he liked crab
He
legs.
told me to give him some.
You don't even eat, she doesn't even eat that much anyways.
I ate 2. Well, no, I ain't got that other one. I haven't ate it really in 2-3 days because I've been sick.
She doesn't eat at all, guys. Put in the comments, little mommy eats. Do they know your real name?
Yeah.
They do. Comment down below her real name. If you made it this far to the video and you get her real name right, you can be family. I'll cash up you or cash up you $10 if you get her real name right. Her name and my name, right? If you made it this far in the video and you get her name right and my name right, I'll cash up you $10 so you can buy like a coffee or something at Starbucks or Dutch or something. Or Dunkin'. Comment down below. And I read her comments.
This is better than fish. See why people be going crazy over this now.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to make a volcano potato. No matter how you do it. You cannot do it.
I'm not think I love my fish.
You did. Okay, I'll put this in my mouth.
I might not eat too much because I haven't eaten in a few days and I eat a lot.
You shouldn't
Then
be
I get sick. Can you warm this up? Is it good to warm it up?
No. Oh, and you can't know her personally. She can't be your friend for you to guess her name. Or my name.
It can't be family. Or friends. Some friends, no.
You have to be. Well, I don't know if you're a family or a friend. So just call me her name. And my name. I'm full.
I don't know. I think because we was. So, oh, my finger.
Uh-oh.
My. Should I try this, y'all?
Try it. Mom, just try it.
Oh, my finger. Oh, my God.
Her hand's cramping. Because she don't drink water. That's, you see that Sprite? That's all she drinks.
Excuse me.
I'm so full.
I don't want to eat too much like this. I'm sick.
Ooh, excuse me.
She want me to try it.
Try it. Try it. You have to eat the brown part, the black part.
Yeah,
No, you literally eat the black part.
No, you don't.
Dip it in sauce. And let's put a little lemon. There you go. Eat it. Eat it. Just eat it.
Excuse me.
Okay, Mom,
It's rubbery.
you're doing too much. You should put that song, Really Ninja? She's too old.
Ooh, I need my water in my hands.
Bye, guys.
Ooh.
I'm tired. It's already my bedtime.
Gotcha.
They wanted me to go get bread at 59, but she hasn't said nothing. And I told her I go to sleep at 7:38. So,
Is that open?
I should have put on gloves.
No, that's some over there.
Can I try your fish? Guys, I don't like fish anymore. Mom,
What?
don't give him that.
Oh, you can have fish?
No.
I didn't
Don't give
know.
him.
Sorry, she ever said no.
I had no salt.
I'm not even put.
It
I didn't want to
tasted-
put too much.
Actually, it tastes not bad. I usually don't like fish anymore. Don't do that. What I just did. I put
You put lemon
on it. I'm full.
I know we didn't really eat.
Hopefully Avery can go to heaven.
That's because we're cooking this on the
Yeah,
time.
the heat. Guys, it's already 100 degrees here.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
I see with the little hole. I'm full.
I see you.
We're probably gonna have autism. You know?
And then I
Wait,
put 2 more
cut this
eggs
part
on for
out.
Avery.
Oh, you gonna eat those?
That's
Wait, what
nice.
can we put this into? Like, reheating? Like what's that big bowl? The big white bowl. To put it in, all this.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have that or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ate a lot of fun. I ate all this.
I gave her a bag. But she didn't use the bag. I posed for a thumbnail. I don't know if you did.
Oh.
When we were holding it up. In the beginning, I think you'll see. I know I was holding it up.
How about that
Well,
sorry we couldn't eat more, but
that's because we were cooking it.
it's hot. Now we're tired.
Yeah.
I've been sick. I got a food poisoning.
She doesn't know from what? From Chili?
Chili's, that big double hamburger.
And it was a little pink.
Yeah, you seen the video.
I seen your burger when you're eating
You
it.
should have told me. She probably wanted me to get sick.
Okay,
She
I
didn't
told
tell
you.
the lady.
I forgot. You need to. She doesn't. When she orders, she acts like she doesn't know how to order, and she doesn't know how to speak.
She probably wanted me to get sick.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I think it's that cooking, man. I don't think it's fun to cook seafood because you really can't enjoy
No.
it.
We need to go eat it out all the time.
Yeah, eat it out. It's not fun. Cooking, after you cooking, you be all tired. Who is it calling me?
Oh, it's gonna go mute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Watch the whole thing.
People don't cook seafood and want to enjoy it. Go out to have seafood. It's not fun because you be all tired from
This
cooking.
is our first seafood boil we cooked.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we had one long time ago.
Oh,
Remember when Avery was in there?
Oh yeah. I remember.
Long
We had the
time
beloved sauce.
Yeah, we had to be love sauce. But yeah, it's no fun in cooking the seafood and eating it because you're too tired to enjoy it. But
Excuse me.
it was fun. But I did me a little one, but I didn't have no crabs and stuff. Remember I had fish and corn. Yep, so that's it. We have this left.
It's a lot left, guys.
It's a lot. And that. Yeah. First rule, don't cook a seafood boiling.
Unless you love cooking and you love eating.
Yeah.
Like after you cook.
Yeah, you gotta love it. Because you can't like cook it and go rest and then come back and eat it. It needs to be hot. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Mom.
I'm not giving him nothing.
Stop.
I'm just dusting my fingernails. I ain't giving him nothing.
That's like your 10th Sprite.
No.
I'm gonna count how many in the box.
Third.
Like her 10th one.
Third.
Cool.
This is my third one.
It's her 10th. 23rd, 25th.
I should only about 3.
That's enough.
Yeah, but shit like this one.
You gonna eat more of that?
I'm gonna try to warm it up. Try to. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. Remember, comment our names. And you get $10.
If you made it this far, comment my name and her name in the comments. The first one doing should cash out your $10. And you have to have cash out.
That's it. You got a message.
Okay, bye guys.